7 bright days, oh so sweet. Tuesday is here, let's learn today. Take your books, work and play. Wednesday's fun, let's paint and draw. Color your dreams, let's go beyond. Let's sing together, feel the beat. 7 bright days, oh so sweet. Thursday's here, let's jump and run. Play outside, it's so much fun. Friday is here, let's eat and cheer. Laughter and joy, happiness near. Let's sing together, feel the beat. 7 bright days, oh so sweet. Saturday is here, take some rest. Sit with mom, her stories are best. Sunday is here, let's laugh and play. With family close, enjoy the day. Let's sing together, feel the beat. 7 bright days, oh so sweet. Let's sing together.